and my secret love, no secret anymore. Once I have a secret love that live within the heart of me. All those on my secret love became impatient to be free. So I told a friendly star the way the dreamers open door. Just how wonderful you are. That's why I'm so in love with you. Now I shout it from the highest hill, even though the golden daffodils at last my heart and open door and my secret love, no secret anymore. Now I shout it from the highest hill, even told the golden daffodils at last my heart an open door and my secret love, no secret anymore.